Hello, this is Samuel Archibald. I'm the student founder of Stun, and today we're going to be doing a workshop video. We're currently in TinkerCAD, and I'm going to be showing you how to build support material for overhangs. Right now, the front piece of your car should look similar to this, and the back piece should look, again, sort of kind of similar, with these overhangs that allow for 1.5-inch bolts and springs for suspension. Sorry that the video quality in this video is really bad. Our recording equipment wasn't working all that great, so I had to use some different software and microphone and such. Anyway, we're going to grab the box, go ahead and bring that down to 1 millimeter. Drag it over, just like that. Resize it so it fits the area that we want. We're going to adjust the camera. And come over here, and then you can either move or you can scale it so that is 1 millimeter away from the base. Like that. Alright, all changes saved. Now we're going to go ahead and select it again. Trim the camera. There you go. Color, we're going to make this orange. So everything that's orange is just going to be support material, and everything that's red is going to be the actual object. If you guys could hit the link in the video, or the link down below the video, and just check out this model. I did make some changes to it. Anyway, bring down the cylinder, make a cylinder rather, make it 1 mil by 1 mil. Go ahead and make another one, or copy and paste. Either Control C and Control V, or Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. Copy and paste it again. Sorry for all the background noise. Copy and paste again. Now you should make it 5. I made it 4 when I recorded this video. I'm going to change it in just a second. Anyway, select all, group, move it on over. Just the camera. I prefer Autodesk 123D when it comes to moving around. Go over, ungroup, so I can create another one like I just said. Now it's 5 instead of 4. So that a 3D printer can print this overhang. Select each one and not that. There you go. Select each one, group, bam, copy, paste. Moving on over. We're going to go ahead, we're going to move this back. And I'm going to scale this down. Group. Go ahead and not do that. Group, edit, copy, edit, paste. Moving on over. It's right where we want it. Move the camera around, and there we go. So we're going to scale that up, just like the last one. Now we're going to select both groups, group the two groups, copy, paste. And then scale it up. Now we're going to have to go in and ungroup. Make it smaller. Ungroup that again. Select that one, move it up. Select that one, ungroup. Select, move it down. Select every single one again. Group it. Edit. Select it. Copy paste. Move it to where it's supposed to be. Not do that. There we go. And then scale it up a bit. I should have just deleted the ones that were coming out of a red. But as usual, just scale it to where it's supposed to be. I'm just going to go ungroup and then delete the ones that are just way too big now. I take this, go ahead and resize them again to where they're supposed to be. Move that down, move that up, move it down again because apparently the first time wasn't good enough. Select it. Ungroup it, move it up. Select both of those and just move them back. And I'm just going to go ahead and move that down. Back up, ungroup. Resize. And there you have it. So we just copy and paste that and just make a whole bunch of other ones going on that last overhang. So basically the printer goes back and forth and it can't print in mid-air, so that's why we have to create these. We have to help the printer along, and we used to use a program called Mesh Mixer to do this for us, but it doesn't do a very good job, and it tries to do it. So now instead we're doing it manually. And what I'm doing right here is I'm grouping them up a lot, making them denser, so that because the upper part, the last part, the squared part, the uppermost part is a lot harder for the printer to print because it's just a square hanging in midair. So the other one, all the other stuff that we're trying to support is we're just helping along. It doesn't require that. It can do it by itself. Is helping. But to make a floating square, you need support material underneath. For this is not Minecraft. Go ahead, copy, paste. Go ahead, copy and paste, move it on over. There, so that's all the ones that we need plus extras, so let's just get rid of the extra. Go ahead, delete that. Alright, there we go. So that's your first row. Now we need to go ahead and make some on the other side of that square. Group that. Copy paste. Alright, for some reason sometimes when you copy paste it's rotated. So all you have to do is just go ahead, grab this arrow and then drag it over to 90. Either negative 90 or 90. It's symmetrical, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, move that to where we want it. There we go. One more. There we go. Okay, so all of that is how we want it. Now we're just going to want to select everything and then just go ahead and move it on over. Or we don't want to select everything, but I think I did anyways. There we go, it's grouping everything. We'll group the bottom square in the last step. We're going to group that, and go ahead and go over. And to select multiple objects, what I'm doing is holding down Shift as I'm clicking. That just makes it so you can select multiple objects, or you can click and drag, and you can select a whole box of objects. Group, copy it, paste it. Then ungroup because we realized that we made a problem. Now go ahead and select all these, because this part is not symmetrical and I don't know how to mirror. I don't think you can mirror in this program. I'm going to group that, copy, paste it, move it over to the other side. Exactly where we want it. Now we're going to go and select this, copy paste it, move it over, and there you go, you got everything there. I just need to select everything, move it over a bit. Alright, so select all the support material, because if you just want to make a small adjustment to just the support material, you want to be able to do that. But I mean, if you want to make it all line up and make it all everything into one group, and that'll work. Okay, go ahead, select all of those, group. And I got 3 groups. I like to break them up into. I notice it's a lot of ungrouping if you make a mistake, but I like to group it so there's each section. It's easier to manage. Select the bottom. Select everything here. Group. And there you go. Finished design. Don't worry about the any poles that are just sticking up or whatever, like through the hole, through the mounting holes. That's fine, dandy. So I, give you guys luck for on your projects. And I'm sorry this video was such low quality. And thank you for being in the workshop. All right, this is Samuel Archibald, and I'm, I think I did my job. I'm out. Go to the link that's below to the video description to go look at the model, and go ahead and don't copy this, but do it yourself and apply this concept to your model. And if your model doesn't look like this general shape, then you should go and you should send me or Mr. Lucas an email. For me, it's wooder360@gmail, and for Lucas, it's alucas@gmail. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.